Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from my friend Scorpion at Scorpion Repair Shop in Oklahoma on this RCI-2950CD. Well, I got you ready to go, my friend. Let's get right to it. We did a tune and alignment on it. Somebody had already did a clarifier mod to it, so we left that alone. 5-watt slug, half-watt carrier all the way down, 5 watts all the way up as you requested. Let's go over here to the 50-watt slug. I'm going to roll the carrier all the way back down. I'll show you average power swing. Low, about 14 bird average. Go over to peak power. Low, about 42 peak. Alrighty, my friend, I hope this works out great for you. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.